Hello, good morning friends, VIP Coder. Welcome to VIPcoder.com. Here is the generative AI job profile. Why you should have to learn a generative AI in 2024. Here is the catch. You can search on Google generative AI job. Here is the first job. Technical lead, generative AI Litera, Ahmedabad. You can read the description. Job description, our story. Litera, headquartered in Chicago, IL, is fast-growing software company and one of the leading legal technology supplier in the world, serving more than 90% of the world's largest law firms. Our software is used by hundreds of thousands of lawyers every day. As a company recognized as one of the best places to work, we believe professional development, reward program, open communication, and transparent leadership all contribute to unique open work environment. Our employees are driven, energetic, passionate, and can make a direct impact on the future of the company. Here you can read the skill, the opportunity. The generative AI innovation team is transforming the way Litera and its clients leverage their data for competitive advantage. As a tech lead on this team, you will consult and collaborate with the numerous engineers and non-engineering team at Litera to architect and POC Gen AI features and solutions for both our market products and internal processes. You will function as a company generative AI expert, helping a Litera to fully leverage the ever-expanding capabilities of this set of technologies. This is your chance to be a key member of pioneering team with the market-leading company. Here you can see the day in the life, okay? And within 1 month you will be this, and within 3 months you will be this. Within 6 months you can read it on Google it, okay? So generative AI job, second job. You can see we are looking for generative AI trainer for part-time or freelancer role. Candidate can be based out of anywhere in India. You will be teaching folk who have at least 15 to 25 year of experience in IT for MNC. You will have at least 20 plus years of experience in IT. You will need to be expert in below hat and on a PhD degree at through leadership skill. Here is the generative adversarial network, variational auto-encoders, and deep reinforcement learning. Here is the key. LLM relevant concept, transformer model architecture, prompt engineering, model fine-tuning, retrieval augmentation generation, RAG pattern, and architecture, and small to large LLM model technologies such as OpenAI, Hugging Face, Bloom, Vacuna, Palm, Cohere, Elam, Llama, and Gemini, Copilot, Falcon 40B, and Mistral. So here you can see the job, generative AI. So you must have to learn generative AI to get a more job, more salary. Thank you very much. You can share this with your IT person like BCA, BSc IT, MSc IT, BE, BTech, Information Technology, and Computer Engineer. You must have to learn generative AI. If you learn the generative AI, you can secure your job with high salary. Okay, this is the era of LLM, artificial intelligence. Thank you. Please share, like, and subscribe.